Today we're going to cook samgyeopsal, but we are going to use a different fry pan, so we already chopped the pork. So I'm going to put it inside. 이거 몇 gram이야? 몇 인분이야? 3인분? These are good for 6인분이야? This is good for 6 people. My husband is craving for 4인분? For 4 people because my husband is craving for this. So look inside. Okay, and then we will cover. And then we're going to lock it. Okay, so now let's see. 몇 분이야? How long will it take? Okay, my husband will operate. Okay, 해봐. Okay. 오, 좋네. Hear the sound. So we don't need to cut it. So after maybe 3 minutes, 3분 되나? Or 5 minutes, we can eat it. 10분? 너무 적은 게.
두꺼워가지고.
뭐가 두꺼워?
고기 일부러 두껍게 하는 거야.
Okay. So he said 10 minutes, but I think 5 minutes would be fine. So while waiting, I'm going to wash this one. We didn't buy lettuce because too many. So as you know, this one, samjang, it's the sauce, garlic, and then kenip. That's a different kind of leaf, and this one sliced green leaves, green onions. I mean, 이거 어떻게? 그냥 먹어. So in other restaurant they make a sauce for this, but my husband said we just eat it like this. Okay, I'll wash them and put in a different plate. He's patiently waiting. Let's see how long will it take. This air fryer is now famous in Korea because you can cook different kinds of food and it's faster than the electric air fryer. Wow, you can see the water from the meat is pouring. Wow. Oh, 신기하네. Wow, look at that. And the oil, 기름도 떨어졌지. 와, 신기하네. 배고파? Are you hungry? Let's see. 와. 와, 맛있겠다. Looks delicious. 나중에 레천하자. Kimchi stew, 4 soup. 써면 되지. So he's hungry now. He will eat first the side dishes together with my kimchi stew. 못 기다려. 배고파. 익은 거 같은데? 봐봐. 한번 봐봐.
남이 잡은 먹이를 슬쩍
잠깐 껐다가 어때?
지금까지 실패의 연속이었습니다.
잠깐 껐다가 해봐.
저녁거리를 마련한 더 나은 방법을 찾아야 합니다.
이건 거 같은데.
집하주한 어둠을 기다립니다.
잠깐만 껐다가 한번 조심 뜨거워. 잠깐만 저기 줄게.
아 이거 너무
A few moments later.
Wow, it's good now. Let's see. 봐봐. 오, 잘 익었네. 타야?
아니?
조금이야?
4인,
너무-
4인분인데
너무 적인데?
얼마나 많아 뭐?
다 잘 안 익은 것 같은데?
아 이것도
자, 맛있게 먹어.
잘 보고
알았어, 먼저 먹어봐.
오늘도 찬바람 쌩쌩 불면서 마치 한겨울같습니다. 경기북부와 강원 영서도
봐봐.
한파 경보가 그리고 중부 곳곳으로도 한파
잘 익었나?
경보가 내려져 있는데요.
보여줘.
많은 수치입니다.
아,
강원도 철원
나 하나 만들어줘.
영하 16도까지 떨어집니다. 내일 아침 일찍 나오시면
맛있어?
목도리도 부르시고요. 장갑도 착용하시면서
Okay, we'll have our dinner.
서해안으로는 오늘 밤부터 눈도 내립니다. 서해안으로는
Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. 안녕, 친구들.